Today we learn the phonics sound of the letter R. R says ra, ra rabbit, ra rabbit, ra rat, ra rat, ra roaster, ra roaster, ra rainbow, ra rainbow, ra radio, ra radio. R says ra, ra, ra rabbit, ra rat, ra rooster, ra rainbow, ra radio. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos. Bye bye my dear kids.